All right, here we go. We are inside your WordPress backend, or the backend of your website. You can see up here it says classroomnv.com/wp-admin. You're going to have all kinds of different things popping up all over the place. You can really get in here, dig around, and try to learn on your own. I'm going to give you some of the basics right now. So first of all, I'm gonna close this whole tour thing because I don't need it right now. And I'm going to exit out of that. We don't need that up there. One thing that's interesting, it says right here, your site is currently displaying a coming soon page. Once you're ready to launch your site, click here. So I'm gonna click that here in a second just to kind of show you what exactly is going on. I'm going to get rid of HostGator because we don't need it anymore. I'm going to get rid of Namecheap. We do not need that anymore. And I'm going to open up a new tab. Actually, I'm going to hover over Classroom Envy. I'm going to right click on Visit Site and I'm going to open a new tab so you can actually see what the website looks like right now. That's what it looks like for us. It's a blank slate. If you were to go, let me pull up a different browser and go to this website. If you were to be someone else going to it right now, classroomenvy.com, it's going to look like this. Classroom Envy coming soon. So we're going to go ahead, go back here, I'm going to get rid of this tab, and I'm going to click there. So we don't have that coming soon page. I'm going to go back to the other window, and we're going to refresh it. And there we go. So there's our live site as of right now. Now here we go. This video might get a little bit long, but this is the customizing aspect of the website. I'm not going to go too in depth because, I mean, there's 100 different YouTube videos on WordPress and installing things and whatnot. But I'm just going to give you guys the backbone of WordPress. So the first thing that I do when I make a new site is I go into posts, and there's going to be this Hello World post. I'm just going to trash it. We don't need it. I'm going to go to pages, and there's some sample pages. We're going to trash the sample page. I'm going to trash this Ninja Forms preview page. I've never used Ninja Forms yet. Maybe some other time I will. Now what we're going to do is go to our plugins, and I'm going to delete this Hello Dolly. Yes, delete the files. That's in all WordPress sites. Akismet, that's important. You can get a free Akismet, it's called API key. This makes it so a bunch of people aren't going to come onto your website and go into the comments section of your posts and give a bunch of spam comments and links just to kind of game Google's system. Formidable, I don't even know what that is. I'm going to get rid of all the stuff that I don't use. So I'm going to highlight those. Bulk actions, I want to, they're all deactivated, so I'm going to delete them. Deactivate. There we go. I had to deactivate them before I could delete them. So I'm going to keep Akismet. I'm going to keep Jetpack. This is a pretty cool plugin. I might talk about that later. Now what we need to do, you can see there's all of these things on the side. Recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and metadata. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of some of these. And to do that, you're going to go to Appearance and Widgets. And you can see the sidebar, search, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, meta. That's all the stuff that's over here in your website right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of search. We're going to keep recent posts. We're going to get rid of comments, archives, categories, and meta. And we're going to go back here to dashboard. Go over here, we're going to refresh the page, and there they are. Okay, nothing found. We don't have any posts, we don't have any page, and we don't have any of this cluttered stuff over here. So the next step is to get a theme that you want. Now there are paid themes and there are free themes. I'm going to show you a free theme right now because hey, we're all teachers and we don't have a ton of money to spend. Again, below this video, I'm going to give you some links to some of the themes that I use that are paid themes. Once you actually start to generate some money with websites and you want to reinvest into your business, I highly suggest doing that. Premium paid themes usually look better, they function better, they convert better. All around, they're just better. They're more secure, and that's probably the biggest thing. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to Appearance and then Themes. WordPress comes pre-installed with certain themes, but what we could do is we can add new, and then we can look through all of these different themes and find a theme that we like. You can click popular, and these are all of these are themes that are popular in WordPress that a lot of people use. So I'm just going to keep it really simple. I think this one looks, I'm going to preview it. I think this is pretty cool. We're just going to go with it, and we're going to install it. So we're going to click over here, Install, and then we're going to click Activate. Okay, now this is what our website's going to look like eventually. If I go over to the other one, I'm going to refresh this, and you've got a new theme, a new look. Nothing found. That's going to change here in a minute. So the next step, this is in no particular order now. I'm just kind of randomly doing all of the things that I normally do when I build a website. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to start to put together some common pages. So I'm going to click Pages and Add New. Actually, pause that. I'm not going to add this page yet. One really important setting that we need to change. Go down here to Settings. Sorry if you were just really excited to make that page. We're going to go to Settings, and then right here, Permalinks. I'm going to click Permalinks, and we're going to set the way that our URLs look in web browsers. So this says like classroomenvy.com/wp-admin, etc., etc. We're going to just click Post Name, and then we're going to save. I'm going to show you what that does here in a minute. There's different ways to actually make your URLs look, but going with post name is going to help you in the long run when you're trying to rank your website. All right, so now we go back to Pages. Now we're going to add a new page, and this is going to be About Me. Okay. Or it could be About Us, or it could be about this site, whatever you want to do. I just usually go with About Me because that looks normal. You're going to go in here and you can fill out this. See right here it says permalink, classroomenvy.com/about-me. It's just very clean. Whatever you put up here in this title box is what's going to show up in the URL. It's not going to put like question marks or exclamation points or anything like that, but just any words that are up in this title bar are going to go in here. And when you're trying to make a page focused on a product that you're reviewing, maybe if you're going to do like pencil sharpener reviews, and that's what your page name is going to be, then it's going to be classroomenvy.com/pencil sharpener reviews. Simple as that. This little button is going to toggle a toolbar. So you open that up, and you're going to be able to format this. This is like the WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. That's what WYSIWYG is. So we're going to start off with a heading that says all about me. Enter, and it's going to automatically go back to paragraph, and you will type whatever you want about yourself. Okay, we're going to go over here and click Publish. Okay, and that's done. Now we're going to add another page. So we've got About Me. We're going to add a contact page. That's something that all or most websites have. Okay, and I'm going to do a separate video on doing a contact form, but for now we're just going to say use the form below to contact us. Publish. Again, the form will come later. Add a new page. Let's see, we did about us, we did contact us. Okay. Here's where you need to kind of decide what type of website you want. Whether you want your homepage when someone goes right to classroomenvy.com or your website. If you want them to see all of your blog posts, then you're not going to make a homepage. What I like to do is I like to have a static homepage. So what I would do is I just call this page home. This is the home page. I'll show you what I mean here in a second. Just follow with me. We're going to publish. Okay, we've got a home page. Now what we're going to do, appearance, we're going to go over here to menus. And we need to make a menu because right now there's like no menu on this website. And I'm going to show you actually how to make a menu with the pages that we just made. So you can see that it's automatically took the, I'm going to get, oh, I know what's going on. Okay, before I make this menu, I'm going to go back and we're going to make a blog page. So we're going to go pages, add new, leave. And this is going to be called blog. All of our blog posts are going to show up on this specific page of the website. We're not going to type anything in here because all of our posts are going to actually show up in here. So we're going to click publish, but it's just going to be a page called blog. Publish. Now we go to appearance, customize, and down here where it says static front page, what we're going to do is we're going to have a front page be the front page is going to be home, and the posts page where your posts are from your blog is going to be blog, and then we're going to do save. Now we go back and let's see if we can do a menu now. Appearance, menus. Okay, we're gonna, I don't know what's going on here, so I'm just gonna create a new menu. Menu name is gonna be main menu. You can see that this is what I always call my menus. It's already up there. Create menu. Okay. And we're going to add all of these to our menu. So we're going to click add to menu, and we're just going to, let's go over to main, save. Okay, it's been updated. Manage locations, top primary menu, select a menu. It's going to be the one that we just made, main menu. It's right there. Save changes. Now we go over to the website and let's see what changed. Here's our menu. Now it says blog, home, contact, about me. We set home as the static home page, so when people go and click classroomenvy.com, you can see it doesn't say /home, but it is the home page. This is the home page. That's the page that we made. We want to switch this menu around so that the home is actually where blog is and vice versa. So I want to show you how to do that. Go back to menus, see blog is first, then home. All you have to do is click and drag. Home, blog, contact, about me. I'd probably put about me first also and contact at the end. Save menu, over here, refresh. There we go, home, blog, about me, contact. Now, let's go to posts. We're going to click add new. This is where you're going to post your content, a lot of your content that you make. Again, the way to find content is to take interests, and I'll actually do like a whole keyword research video for you guys. It's probably going to be a lot longer, but it'll show you how to find the terms that people are actually searching for and how often they do get searched. So first of all, we're going to just say this is a test post. Okay. This is a test post, and let's go ahead and we'll just say, have a title, test post, test. Over here, we're going to add a new category. It's going to be called test. And we're going to click publish. Okay, so we have, this is a test post, and we go over here, we're going to refresh the page, and I think it refreshed. Okay, we go to blog, and we can see this is a test post. Right here's the post that we just did. We also set up under appearance and widgets, we said on our website we want the sidebar, which is over here. We want the sidebar to show our recent posts. So the recent posts are going to show up right here. So if you're at the home page, you can just click right here to go to that specific post, or you can go up here to blog and see all of them. So I'll show you kind of how that looks. Let's just do a couple more really fast. Add new, test post 2. Test post 2. And I'm not going to deal with any of this right now, just because there's, again, a lot of YouTube videos on how to use WordPress. Publish. We're going to add a new one. Test post 3. Let's go crazy with it. Best pencils for students with best, let's just say autism. Here is an awesome pencil you can give your autistic students. Okay. In this post, I'm just going to show you something real quick. We're going to go to Amazon, and we're going to look for beginner pencils. And I'm looking for the really fat round ones. Number 2. There we go. This one works. Okay, so let's say that we really like this product. We're just going to go up here. We're going to copy this URL, Control or Command C. Go back to this post. Click here. If I want to insert a link, if I want to make it so someone can actually click that link to go to Amazon, I'm going to highlight it, click this insert edit link. I'm going to paste the URL, and I'm just going to click outside of it. Nope, that did not save. Paste. I've got to click the apply, of course. Apply. Okay, so there it is. So now we're going to go ahead and, you know what? I'll show you guys how to insert an image. Let's just do it. I'm going to pull up Snag it real quick so I can take a screenshot of this. When you're selling, just so you know, when you're selling things on Amazon to get commissions, you can use their images and they won't like come after you for copyright issues, because you're funneling sales to their website, so they really do not care about that. Capture image, file, save as. Let's go with pencil Save. Did that? Save as. Let's put it on the desktop. There we go. Let's go back to the post, and this is the pencil. We're going to add media, upload files. We're just going to take the file. We're either going to select files. I just like to drag the files in. Okay, pencil. Hope you guys don't mind that I'm not really talking and I'm just going over the shoulder so you can see my screen and what I'm doing. Alt text. Insert into post. Okay, so there is the picture. Now we're going to publish this. Go back over here, go back to the home page. So we've got, this is test post 2, best pencils for students with autism. You'll have a home page. In your home page, you can tell people what the site's all about. We go to blog. You can see all 3 posts that we've made. We can go into the specific posts and we can see, here's an awesome pencil you can give your autistic students. Click here, and it's going to take us to that specific product. Okay, and when we sell things on here, we can get a commission. They start out at 6% commission. If you sell 1 to 5 products, you get 6% commission in Amazon. If you sell like 6 to 10, it bumps up to 7%. When you sell 25 products, it goes to like 8%. So you can make decent money with Amazon. Okay, let me go back to this. Okay, how to change this. Classroom Envy, just another WordPress site. So we've already been into the section that we need to go to actually change that. Go to Appearance, Customize, and Site Identity. Classroom Envy is the site title, and that's where just another WordPress site is. So we're gonna say don't be envious of our sweet classroom. Save and publish. Go back over here, update. Don't be envious of our sweet classroom. Okay, so I will film some more videos as far as customizing WordPress. There's so many things that you can do. Signing up for Amazon affiliates, by the way, if you wanted to do that, when you're on Amazon, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then it says right here, make money with us. Sell on Amazon, sell your services on Amazon, become an affiliate. That's what you want to click. Click that, fill all of the relevant information out, and then you'll be able to start to get affiliate links. So instead of going up here and copying a link that goes straight to the product, you're going to be able to create a link that Amazon knows is yours. So if people click that link and go to Amazon from your website using your affiliate link and they buy anything, and I mean anything, if they buy anything, you get the commission for whatever they bought because you sent them to Amazon. So that's one of the ways that I make money. And you can see, hopefully, you can see just in a matter of like an hour, and it took me a lot longer because I was talking through a lot of things, but just in a matter of like an hour or two, I was able to build this really nice looking, clean website, and you can funnel people to it. You can tell all kinds of people about it, share it on Facebook. You can learn about search engine optimization or SEO. If you want to know anything about that, feel free to ask me. Again, that's something that I do for local businesses. So I've got all kinds of tips and tricks on how to actually rank your website and good best practices when it comes to ranking a website. So there you are. The website is built. I'm gonna kind of sign off right now as this like this is the last video that I'm going to make, but I'm just telling you right now, there's going to be more videos, more tutorials on how to customize the website, how to do certain things. And the last thing that I will say, and this just jumped into my head, the last thing that I will say is that this was a free theme. Okay, this was a free theme. So if you just do a Google search for WordPress themes, you're going to find all kinds of different themes. Again, I'll link to some, but if I go up here, open a new tab, WordPress themes, theme forest, elegant. No, we don't want that. Theme forest has a ton. So you can go in here if you couldn't find a free one that you want, and you can see some are 60 bucks, some are 44, 59, 49, and you can buy a theme. And I would suggest making sure that you buy one that has video tutorials on how to use it. I don't know how many themes that I've paid money for and the support was not good. There were no video tutorials on how to use things. And I mean, I'll tell you right now that the theme that we are using right now for this classroomenvy.com website, there's a lot more that we can do with that. And maybe that's what I'll do in my next videos. So I know I get long-winded at times, but hopefully this gave you a really good head start in showing you how to build a website from scratch using WordPress, a content management system that millions and millions and millions of websites use. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.